Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have started this channel to come up with the solutions to some of the interesting interview questions on SQL. Okay, to start with, I have this interview question to write a query to find out the hierarchy of employees under a given manager's table or the manager ID 100. So as an input, we have this employees table wherein we have employee ID, first name, last name, email addresses, and manager ID. Okay, which we need. So as an output, what they're expecting here is, let's say given manager name is stable. Okay, they want this employee at the level 1 manager. Okay, so they're expecting level 2 managers. Okay, who are working under this manager. Okay, so I mean to say all the employees working under this manager directly are the level 2 managers. Okay, and further these employees can be managers to some other employees, right? So they come under level 3 managers. Okay, so this is what they're expecting. Okay, so to start with, let's write out these steps to resolve this. Okay, so first one, in the first one, what we are expecting here, one is employee details of the given manager. Okay, we want to know all the first name, last name, manager ID, and employee of that manager, right? So we want all the employee details of the given manager name or manager ID. Okay. So in the second run, what we want? We want all the employees working under the above manager. Employees working under above manager. Okay. So all the employees, I mean to say. Okay. In the third one, hope you understood. We want to we want all the employees working under the above managers. Okay. So first run, whatever we have, they come under level 1. In the second run, whatever we have, whatever employee details we have, they come under level 2 managers. Okay. This way, level 3 and level 4 like this. Okay. So we can write this using CTE, but in CTE, I have found out like directly writing CTE like we cannot write nested CTEs. Okay. So since we need iterations, you can think of writing nested CTEs, right? So nested CTEs are not supported. Okay, we cannot write nested CTEs. No nested CTEs supported actually. Okay. Okay, we can write the multiple CTEs. We can write multiple CTEs, but we do not know how many iterations we want, right? Okay, there can be level 100 managers, correct? So how many CTS you will write? Correct. This is impossible to write, and even if we write, this will affect the performance of the query. Correct. So I have found out this like it's not like I found out. So there is something called recursive CTE, which we can use, okay, to solve this query. Correct. So before writing this query, I want to explain you the syntax of this recursive CTE. Let's what is the syntax? So just like any other CTE, with CTE as, okay, and so in the recursive CTE, what we need is, one is base query, okay, second is union or. Okay, in the second run, okay, we want recursive query, okay, and a termination condition. I'll explain more about this termination condition, because when we want to terminate this recursive query, correct? Otherwise, it will get into the infinite loop, correct? And just like any other CTE, we can call the output columns here. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, let's dive into writing the query here. So in base query, so base query will be a first iteration query. So here we want all the employee details of that given manager, correct? So employee select from employees, okay, where employee ID equal to 100, okay. So what we want here, one is let's get the employee ID of this employee and the first name, comma manager ID. Okay, so these details are enough to solve this. Okay, so in the recursive query, so recursive query, how it will work is in the first run of this the recursive query, only this base query gets executed. Employee ID invalid identifier. Okay, so I have written the wrong column name. Okay, so we want so only this gets executed. Okay, in the second run, this will be treated as CTE, correct? So in this recursive CTE, what we can write is select from the above CTE. Okay, this will be input to this CTE. Okay, so here what we want mainly here is, okay, correct. So let's explain this with the output itself. Okay, this is the manager, 100. Okay, we want all the employees having this manager ID, 100 as the manager ID. So we need to join this with the employees table. Okay, here we have only the CD, correct? So we need to join that with the employees table. Okay, on what condition? So condition here is from city, this is the employee ID. Okay, from the employees table, okay, we want manager ID. Okay, so from city employee ID should be equal to the manager ID of the employees, correct? So employees, let's give the alias early as, okay, PV. So what we want from city, we want the employee ID. Okay, okay, equals from employees table, we want manager ID, correct? So okay, this works. And what and all the fields we want? All these. Okay, since we are using union, all the column number names and numbers should be equal. Okay, so these details we cannot get from the CT. We want it from the employees table. Okay, okay. So to include levels, what we can do is let's define one like static value one as level number. Okay, in the second iteration, what we want? We want level number plus 1. Okay, as level number. Okay, this gives level 2, like number 2, correct? Like till how many iterations we want? We don't know. But if we are not sure, like how many iterations, like it can get into infinite loop, or if you want to restrict it to some level number, you can restrict like level number less than 5 only if you are expecting. Okay, so with CT, okay. Another thing to notice here is, if we are using Oracle DB, you need to mention all the column names here. Okay, whatever you are calling, you need to mention all of them, correct? And if you are using any MySQL or anything, you need not to mention column names, but you need to mention recursive keyword here, correct? So shall we execute this query? Okay, so in the output, what we're expecting, we're expecting all these column names. Okay, let's execute this and see if any issues, and we can fix them. Okay, So missing keyword. So missing keyword, any level number. Okay. Join on. Okay. Join this table on. Okay. This is the keyword missing. Let's execute this and see. Missing right parenthesis. Where exactly? On level number 5. From CTE. Correct. CTE employee ID equal to E dot manager ID. And okay, here where, sorry if I missed out the silliest points. Okay, so again I'm seeing missing expression where level number less than 5. Join from CTE joins. Okay, with CTE as this one, select. Okay, here, sorry. So sorry for the all these silly mistakes. Okay, so let's run and see. Okay. So need not to worry if you found out any issues like errors. You can read the errors and fix your query. Okay. So let's if our output is correct or not. So this is the Steven with the employee ID 100. Okay. In level 2, we have all the manager ID as 100. They are coming under level 2, level number 2, and 101. Okay, is manager to 108. Okay, they are coming. Okay, so this is perfect, guys. Okay, and uh, if you want to learn or if you want to follow this channel, you can feel free to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and I'll come up with more interesting like more such interesting queries and solutions today. Thank you, guys.